Welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet keychain design model. A crochet keychain design is a small decorative or functional accessory made by crocheting yarn with a crochet hook and attaching it to a keyring or clasp. It can be used to hold keys, decorate bags, backpacks, pouches, or pencil cases. Popular crochet keychains designs are iconic keychains like tiny animals, fruit, character, or cute objects. Flower keychains like roses, daisies, tulips, and other floral designs. Heart keychains, simple and lovely for gifts or Valentine's Day. Fruit keychains, strawberries, cherries, lemons, and tiny apples. Mini food keychains like cupcakes, donuts, ice cream, coffee cups, and cookies. Also, granny scarf keychains, small colorful scarves with a very sentiment look. Entertain or later keychains, personalized with someone's first detail. Mini bag keychains like tiny crochet pouches or tote bags. Flower and bead keychains, crochet flowers combined with wooden or colorful beads. Crochet keychains are small, lightweight, inexpensive, customizable, and easy to make. They are also excellent handmade gifts and can be sold as small craft products. Using cotton yarn often gives a neat, jumble finish, while soft acrylic yarn can create a cozy look. A crochet keychain design can be much more than a simple key holder. It can be a tiny piece of handmade art that reflects personality, creativity, and style. Main parts of a crochet keychain. A typical crochet keychain consists of crocheted body, the main decorative piece, stuffing, used for 3D designs such as animals and fruits. Keyring or lobster cups attaches the crochet piece to keys or bags. Connecting loops joins the crochet design to the hardware. Decorative elements like beads, buttons, ribbons, or embroidery, or a small charm. Different design styles, cute and kawaii. Use pastel colors and designs like bears, bunnies, mushrooms, flowers, and tiny flowers. Vintage style, choose earthy or muted colors, granny scarf patterns, crochet flowers, wooden beads, and antique-looking metal hardware. Card school. Try strawberries, daisies, mushrooms, butterflies, tiny baskets, or miniature cottage-inspired designs. Minimalist. Simple shapes such as hearts, stars, circles, leaves, or details look clean and elegant. Personalized. Create details, names, bird flowers, or custom color combinations. Next, color ideas. Soft romantic, use cream, dusty pink, and beige. For cottage style, use chase green, ivory, and brown. For cheerful, use yellow, orange, and white. For vintage, use mustard, olive green, or dusty blue. For pastel, use baby pink, lavender, and mint green. Where you can use them, crochet keychains are perfect for keys, handmade bags and pouches, backpacks, school bags, pencil cases, zippers, gift wrapping, handmade gift sets. They can also be made as small matching sets, for example, a flower keychain with a crochet phone pouch, or a tiny fruit keychain with a matching bag charm. Creative design ideas. You could make a mini garden collection with tiny flowers, leaves, mushrooms, and strawberries. Another idea is a grandma's cottage collection, featuring vintage flowers, tiny thick makeups, granny skirts, and muted colors. Those themed collections can give your handmade products a recognizable style. Tips for a better finish: keep your stitches tight and even. Choose yarn that is suitable for small details. Secure the keyring firmly so it doesn't come loose. Hide yarn ends neatly inside the design. Avoid making the keychain too large or heavy. Add embroidery instead of bulky decorations where possible. Use consistent colors if you are making a collection. A well-designed crochet keychain is a small, practical, decorative, and highly customizable, making it a wonderful project for beginners as well as a popular handmade gifts or craft product. What makes a crochet keychain design special? A crochet keychain isn't really a miniature crochet project because it is small. You can experiment with different colors, patterns, textures, and shapes without needing a lot of yarn or time. The most attractive designs usually have a clear and recognizable shape, neat and tight spaces, a balanced color palette, a strong attachment to the occasion, small but thoughtful details, a consistent handmade aesthetic. Creative crochet keychains themes. Mini flowered garden. Create a collection of tiny daisies, roses, sunflowers, tulips, lavender flowers, and leaves. You can combine several flowers into a tiny bouquet and attach it to a keyring. Mini food collections. Food-inspired keychains can be fun and colorful with strawberry, cherry, cupcake, donut, ice cream, lemon, mushroom, and coffee cup. This works especially well as matching collections. Vintage and grandma-inspired designs for nostalgic look. Consider mini granny scarves, crochet flowers, tiny lace-inspired motifs, wooden beads, muted colors, small bows, vintage-style buttons. A combination of cream, sheet green, dusty pink, mustard, and brown can create a cozy, nostalgic appearance. Decorative details, small additions, can completely change the appearance of a keychain. You can experiment with wooden beads, heart-style beads, ribbons, small bows, embroidered details, buttons, tassels, tiny pearls, and fabric flowers. The key is to keep decorations lightweight and securely attached. Choosing the right size. A crochet keychain should generally be small enough to carry comfortably. Miniature designs are convenient for keys and bags, while slightly larger designs can work better as bag charms. For 3D origami designs, remember that adding too much stuffing can make the keychain bulky and heavy. Thanks for watching.